A daybreak in Manchester revealed some devastating damages across the parish. Romano Lyons has our story.
A clear blue sky smiles over Manchester for the first time in over 2 days. But on the ground for many, the sun is shining light on mind-boggling damage. For 60 years, Betty Brown called Alligator Pond home. In fact, her veranda used to be right here where I'm standing. But yesterday, more than half of the house was taken by the sea.
I have to run out. We couldn't see nothing. The bed gone, the dresser gone, and the house gone. And some of my clothes gone. I have to beg, go to my cousin and shelter my cousin. The water came over.
So were you in the house at the time when it was breaking?
I can't come in the house and I have to run out same time because I couldn't get to see it and I have to run out.
While the sea smashed into concrete, vibrations of earthquake proportions, panic, terror, and heart-racing fear, her life flashed before the tides.
I'm not going to sleep. They're on the face right now, but I'm not put on me. Do you understand? I got me left everything in trust. If you become dead, I'm gone, so I feel I have to enjoy myself, I see my life because I'm not John, because I'm in the house, I'm gone. The John, I'm not John. I'm me looking at me, I'm picking at John.
At another section, the view from the sky tells the story of a narrow miss for the community, which was listed as a high-risk area ahead of Melissa. Other people living in the community brushed by the sea say it was an experience like no other.
See how high the sea was? Everybody thinks the house gone because my nephew start crying. And I said, do God, help we, because I alone can help we in this because it's the first time experiencing something like this.
I thought the world was coming to an end, man. It was crazy, it was horrible. It was real, it was like at the end of the world. You know, all we had to do was to pray and we couldn't even come outside.
In a community called Turnatop, more devastation. This was a 3-bedroom home that held a family together, but now it's total despair.
When me inside there, me see when the top going down, go so rocks on it goes, so then it just zip over, so and then the ceiling just come right down for me. I have to run out, I have to tear through the door and run out. And we just keep moving, and so the wheels are going, everything just go over. On this side, they just go straight over everything, so that they're going up over this.
This road is called Mayhill. It's a route used by taxi drivers and some residents to get to Alligator Pond in Manchester. From what we're hearing now and what we're seeing, it's impossible.
Yeah, Lane Road, devastated, bad. Water is about 10 feet or more. So nobody come here, so like them want to try to go across it, don't try it. Don't test it, because you're drown. So from now, anybody where come, don't cross Lane Road.
It is 1 mile and so on, lock off with water. Water come up to people's house, back sea. So, brother, I tell you, it's the worst thing we never see from our band.
It seems this police vehicle is trying to brave the waters to get to a different location. We're not sure if it's going to work out. And as you can see, it didn't work out. The vehicle is now reversing. So more signs are a bigger warning that this road is impassable. The night before, cars turned into boats.
A vehicle was in front of me, so I was following behind that vehicle. And I see the vehicle going through, but all of a sudden I see the vehicle start float. So I stop, catch a reverse, and the vehicle won't go down reverse until the water starts taking my vehicle. And it take it away from both sides to a light post. And when I do get out of my vehicle and come out of the water was under my arm.
Breeze. Rain from Sunday night straight through. The storm now hit me hungry from yesterday. From Sunday night I can't come out nor nothing.
I'm here with Mr. Ellis in Spur Tree, Manchester, right?
Yeah, on Spur Tree, yeah.
Property was badly damaged. He's giving us a tour. All right, so Mr. Ellis, you can go.
All these zinc blow away. Everything. See this stuff? Yes. Yeah, but a lot of hardware stuff. You see there? A lot of hardware stuff. Mostly tile fittings. See the door, expensive door. So everything wet up, you know.